For today's video, we're taking a look at the Robotic lawnmower. So we're going to go. For today, we're taking a look at the Robotic lawnmower. We're going to go ahead and unbox everything, show you guys exactly what you're getting in this kit. In this kit, they do give you your boundary wire. Some kits don't come with it, but you get plenty of boundary wire. You got all your connectors, your cables, of course your manual. They give you your splicers and also your stakes. So this is the mower itself. As you can see, it has really beefy tires, which means it makes it great for all terrain. Look at that. I'm actually very impressed with this unit. It looks clean. It looks nice. Love the display on here. Overall, I'm just very, very impressed. It can sense weather, which is amazing. Just overall, a very nice unit. Underneath, we can see it's standard. It uses 3 razor blades. Make sure these are tight before you start the unit. And basically what happens is this spins. So we can see it has a 3 razor blade setup. And basically what happens is when this spins, the razor blades spin independently as well. And that's how you cut your grass. They're easy to clean, easy to sharpen, and easy to replace. So far, this unit is very impressive. Nice big tires. Make sure you have the screws in nice and tight before you start the unit. Once turned on, you can see the power. Now, it's not going to be blinking in person other than that one. That one's blinking. That rapid blinking is just because of the camera. Anyway, so it's password protected. Battery level right on there. So this is the charging hub, and on the back here you're going to have your cable connector that's just going to plug right into your hub, so make sure you do that. And it's going to be able to back in and charge right from here as well. So at the end of the day, the mower does a great job. A couple things I noticed: you might have some problems with the boundary wire and that stuff. You know, just trial, shoot, and error. I mean, sadly, robot mowers are kind of newish in the world, so there's a lot of issues. With that being said, overall it does a great job. I like it. Make sure you have no acorns in your grass, no branches, no ropes, wires, cables, anything that can get caught around the blades, rocks. If too deep ravines can cause issues sometimes. But overall, I'm happy.